This Jack Gaughen Network Services Hauer and Associates property video is presented by Jeanette Sainer. Wow! Improved wooded 3.97 acres in rural Juniata County, enjoy wildlife and peaceful setting. Ease of all amenities, septic well with pump/200 amp electric already installed and paid for. Septic permit #R06523 for a 3-bedroom single-family system was installed and signed off by SEO on June 1, 2015, hassle-free for next owner. Just bring your RV and hookup or cabin retreat blueprints to get away from the stresses of life. Offers a seasonal stream, in the ravine towards Lot Rear. Just 2-mile access from RT 35 south of Cross Keys. 659 of T 325 road frontage. Seller has a trail cut in around most of perimeter for ATV enjoyment. State Games lands number 215 are close by. Taxes are $161.53 a year. A golden opportunity to invest in. Call today for your tour. For more information, review the details below or contact Jeanette Sainer at 717-436-8200.